Now, heavy rain since early Thursday morning lashed several parts of Mumbai, which led to waterlogging, slow-moving traffic and delays on local train service. A 60-year-old man died after falling into an open manhole during the maintenance work in Mumbai's Sakinaka. Now, according to police, three contractual workers engaged by a private agency had removed the manhole cover to carry out maintenance work at the location. Due to strong flow of water inside the drain, rescue teams, in fact, were initially unable to determine the direction in which the man had been swept away. The IMD has forecast heavy to very heavy rainfall through the day, with possibility of extreme heavy showers and gusty winds of 50 to 60 km per hour later on Thursday and early Friday. The Weather Department has also warned of occasional gusty winds reaching speeds of 50 to 60 km per hour, urging residents to remain cautious. Paras joins us with a ground report on this.
From last 3 days, Mumbai is getting rain very heavily. The rain is continuously there in Mumbai, and there are several incidents which have taken life of the one children, and there were many incidents which was reported from Mumbai also, where tree has fallen. We are standing at the very spot where another tree has fallen in Churchgate area. You can see how cars have been damaged after this whole big tree has been fallen on the car. This whole incident happened at 3 o'clock in the night, and we are seeing in the visuals that how furiously this tree has fallen and how the cars have been damaged. If you can see the damaged car over here, and the tree is so big that if someone will be there inside, he won't survive. But there was a situation where there was no one in the car, but car has been damaged very badly. If you can see, this is not a small tree, this is a big tree, and there was a rain which was constantly happening from last 3 days in Mumbai. There was wind which was there, 30 to 40 kilometers wind was there, and that's why this tree has fallen. Why this type of situation is happening is a question which should be answered by BMC, as BMC is the richest municipal corporation in India. There is crores of budget which has been allocated to them, and when first rain comes, this type of situation occurs every year. So it is a question which should be answered by the BMC, why there was no pre-planning which happened. Every year they claims that before rain they has planned everything, but this type of situation and incident happens, then many questions raises.